And now toggling the power switch from off to on. Let's see if it's going to light on. Keyboard lights are on, that means the power circle is working okay, no shortcuts, not anything. I remembered I forgot to plug in the front input switches. I'll now just find out where they are. Okay, power switch is connected, I didn't connect others, I don't need them right now. And let's see the moment of truth. And it went off. Once again. That's not a great sign. I will check out what's going on. I'm not 100% sure where to start diagnosing problems. I will disconnect front panel inputs and outputs. That means USB and audio inputs and outputs. And I changed the USB ports from this USB deck up to USB 3.0. Maybe these deck up are not meant for the peripherals. Now it seems that again there's the same problem. I'll try to change the RAM stick positions because I'm not sure that they should go here. Maybe they really need to go on the right side, because that is usually they go on the right side. I'll try that, and I'll try only with one stick. But usually that shouldn't make problems. If they are not paired, they're just not paired, but they should work on any position. What else can it be? I just hope that it doesn't have anything to do with the processor, that it's on the right place. Everything else can be solved easily. Not easily, but easier. Definitely easier. I'll try to take out this fan from the fan controller and plug it in directly to the motherboard where it's supposed to go, and I'll disconnect all the additional LEDs that come with the case and the CPU and the fan controller, because that could maybe cause some issues. Still nothing, I'll try to Google, maybe there are some topics about this and how to solve it. I'm thinking maybe because it has connector here for the ATX 4 pin, I will try to connect the Molox right there. It definitely cannot harm it, and then we will see if that solves the problem. Right now I will remove the CPU cooler and open the CPU tray and to check out if there are any bent pins, which I honestly don't think that is the case. And if I'm right, if everything looks okay, I will really need the help. I will call Megascott first to see if he knows something more, and I will just open this for now and see what's going on. Guys, quick update. 2 days have passed since I started building this PC, and finally this smile on my face. I don't know what to say, check this out. BIOS is here, everything's spinning up. I didn't put the SSD and the hard drive yet. I just wanted to test it isn't going to work. As you can see, I had to install this PCI Express 8-pin connector since I didn't have it before. I'll leave that after. I will do also these cables, fan controls, everything after. But finally, it's working. Really thank you, Dejan, for switching the motherboard. This one is working without problems. Everything is great. I'm just super happy. I'm going to install the system and everything to configure. Thank you very much, and see you in a couple of minutes. Right now all the drives are in. I plugged in the USB with the newest BIOS and I'm waiting to see if the LED's going to blink, just to make sure that it's finished successfully. Anyway, check this out. You can see here the logo is turned on. Of course, on the motherboard we will check that one out. I think that you can actually customize the LEDs so they can blink with music, fade in, fade out, like breathing mode. Here are in front are the fans. I think they are all turned on right now. Yes, they are the original NZXT fans. On the back side it's still very messy. Here is that fan controller, the LED controller, as you can see on the back side. I think I can turn off this. Yes. Okay, we actually really don't need that one. Hard drive is spinning, and actually that's the only noise, I think. Is it blinking yet? Not yet. And here it is, it's showed on the screen, and I'm going to pick up update BIOS from drive, mass storage device, gigabyte.bin, and progress is here, verifying file. Okay, normal update. I'm not sure what's the difference, but normal is always better. And okay, now it says don't do anything. We'll wait. By the way, high recommendations to check out the DJs from Mars. Sick remixes. Okay, BIOS update complete. Now restart. No, moment of truth. I don't know, should I have unplugged the USB? We will see now. Of course, I still didn't install any operating system, and yeah, that's why it got turned off. I'm going to unplug the USB now. Okay, and let's see, unplug the USB. Press any key to restart. Okay, that means I need to put the Windows on. I will use my laptop to make a bootable drive, and then next step. I really like this new LED bulb. I can control it via Wi-Fi. Such a great gadget. I will make a review about that, but finally I had some problems with the onboard audio because it's not a Realtek driver. It's the Sound Blaster integrated sound card. It's an amazing sound. As you could hear, I can play at the same time on my headphones and on the speakers, which is amazing. Also, as you can see right now, the GPU is on pulse mode, but I can change that also. Here is the ambient LED controller. Now it's solid on, but I can also make it pulse. But I just keep it off everything. But finally I'm so satisfied, everything is working perfect. Now only I need to install the Adobe package because I had some problems with that also. Drivers are much harder to find with this, but anyway, it will work, I'm sure. I just wanted to show you one cool feature of the, I can say, whole room right now. It's the LED mode. First of all, as you know, I have this light bulb, and if I don't speak, you will see that it doesn't change color. and when I start speaking it will again change colors. On the other side here we have the famous keyboard, you know that, it's in breathing mode. And check this out, when I hit the spacebar and start playing music, the LEDs on GPU and on the motherboard will also light up. I don't want to get copyrighted, but you get the point. It doesn't feel that much. I'll try to tune it for the different frequencies, but I'm so satisfied with everything. It renders so fast, it edits pictures so fast. Finally it's done. Of course now it comes to I will do some stickers, I will do cable sleeving. I think that I will also foil wrap the speakers, maybe monitor stand, so all to put in some kind of style, color scheme, but that's for now. I will do some work now finally on PC, not on laptop. I hope you enjoyed. I didn't for the most part when I found out that the motherboard has some defect on it, but finally it's finished. I'm very happy. Thank you Dan again for helping and solve this problem. Of course, thanks to everyone else who provided me these parts, and thank you for watching. See you in next video.